everyone, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I have an easy no-sew project for you. This accessory or scarf starts with this copper tee. Now you can pick these up at the hardware store right in the pipe or plumbing section. You can also find them on Amazon and I'll link that down below for you. I have 3 different t-shirt knits here, lighter weight knits. And the width has to be approximately 60 inches around. Another thing that works well for this is thrifted men's t-shirts, but you do want the t-shirts that do not have side seams. I also have this interesting lacy knit that I picked up at Walmart of all places. Came in this pack, 2 yards for $4, which I thought was a really good price on it. I really love the color and I love the muted colors to this for these accessories. You can wear it with almost any type of outfit. You cut 3 to 4 inch widths, the whole length of the width of this t-shirt knit. So the strips are going to be approximately 3 or 4 inches wide by the 60 inches. You do want to remove the selvages, and then it's as easy as just gathering these up. So they're all even at the one top or on one side, and shoving it through the top of this tee and then pulling it through the bottom. Now I'm just using my needle nose pliers for this, just makes it a little bit easier. Do the same on the other side. Now this copper tee does patina a little bit, but doesn't stain outfits or anything, and you can always polish it up if you need to. I'm just getting this loop, so this is going to fit around your neck. So you want about approximately 25-inch loop on the top there, and then just tie a knot at the bottom. I'm just going to join the top part just to keep all those 3 t-shirt knits together by just tying a little strip of the t-shirt on the top. I hope you enjoyed this, and you're going to see some pictures of what it looks like on a shirt. I am in the middle of going south with my husband for a couple of months, so my sewing machines were packed up. So like I said, this is a complete no-sew project, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back next week with hopefully something a little bit more of a sewing project. Bye everyone, I hope you have a creative week. See you next time.